Going a little bit too fast on the interstate. Joining us for the Law and You, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Harry McGrath, who is here for Greg, and I can assure you these guys drove at the proper speed to get in here. Good to see you tonight.
Nice
Absolutely.
to see you, Dave.
And I can assure you, we do not drive fast.
All right, for sure. Now, that's not the case for everyone, and of course, some of us like to go a little bit faster. Rick in Shavertown says, I was recently cited for speeding on the highway. I was 15 miles per hour over the speed limit. Harry, what's Rick in Shavertown going to have to contend with?
Well, Rick, unfortunately, it sounds like there could be an issue for you. I mean, traveling 15 miles an hour over the speed limit is, in most situations, going to result in a ticket and possibly some points. I'm going to let Greg elaborate a little more because he has a criminal law background and he can give you some more details about the type of fine or other problem you could be dealing with.
Yeah, back in my days as a criminal prosecutor, we used to handle a lot of speeding tickets in summary appeal court. So what I think is going to happen is with a 15 mile an hour over, you're going to get a fine of about $360 and you're probably looking at 4 points. So, you know, the lesson is, and what the legislator tries to do is tell you to slow down, because the more points you can get into suspension, you can lose your license, and then it becomes a real problem getting around. So slow down. And the other thing, too, is with these speeding tickets is that a lot of people don't handle them the right way. When you get pulled over, you're wrong. The police officer is doing his job. Be respectful. Be apologetic. Because at the end of the day, if you're acting like a jerk, I can assure you that I can't go to the hearing and work out a deal for you because you were rude. And the police officers, and I worked with police officers for 10 years, most of the guys are very easy to work with, but in this situation, a lot of people mishandle it because they're upset. So I think that's one of the important things you need to do is apologize, be respectful, take your ticket, and then try to work it out in the courts if need be.
And I know that you guys have great referrals if
yeah.
someone were to get into a situation like a speeding ticket or possibly some other type of criminal situation. That's going to do it tonight. Don't forget, Results Matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Harry McGrath tonight for Ed.
No,
Good
Ed.
to see you guys.
Thank you.
All right, don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always there for you.